My dear students, this is your Professor Dr. Syed. Today I am going to teach you about Total Quality Management, Six Sigma Approach, Unit number 5, Part 3. Define the system, the voice of the customers and their requirements, and the project goals specifically. You need to define each and everything, the system and the voice of the customer, what the customers are saying and their requirements. Customers never satisfies always. Always they want some change. That's why we'll have to define the system, collect the voice of the customers, then finally we'll have to reach to the project goals. Measure the key aspects of the current process and collect relevant data. Number 3, analyze. Analyze the data to investigate and verify cause and effect relationship. Determine what the relationships are and attempt to ensure that all factors have been considered. Seek out root cause of the defect under investigation. So here what you are doing, you are finding out the root cause for the defect. Number 4, improve. Improve or optimize the current process based upon data analysis using techniques such as design of experiments, Poka-yoke, or mistake proofing, and standard work to create a new future state process, set up pilot runs to establish process capability. Five, control. Control the future state process to ensure that any deviations from targets are corrected. They should be corrected before they result in defects. Implement control system such as statistical process control, production boards, visual workplaces, and continuous monitor the process. Number 2, DMADO. DMADO project methodology have 5 phases. 1, define. 2, measure. 3, analyze. 4, design. 5, verify. This is DMADO. Number 1, define. Define design goals that are consistent with customer demands and the enterprise strategy. Number 2, measure. Measure and identify CTQs, that is, characteristics that are critical to quality. Product capabilities, production process capabilities, and risks. Number 3, analyze. Analyze, develop, and design alternatives. Number 4, design an improved alternative which is best suited for analysis in the previous step. Number 5, verify the design, set up pilot runs, implement the production process, and hand it over to the process owner. Six Sigma implementation rules. Six Sigma identifies several key rules for its successful implementation. 1. Executive leadership. It includes the CEO, other members of top management. They are responsible for setting up the vision for Six Sigma implementation. Number 2, champions. They take the responsibility for Six Sigma implementation across the organization in an integrated manner. Number 3, master black belts. Their identified champions act as in-house coaches on Six Sigma. They devote 100% of their time to Six Sigma. They assist champions and guide black belts and green belts. Then black belts. They operate under master black belts to apply Six Sigma methodology to specified projects. Then finally the green belts. They are the employees who take up Six Sigma implementation along with their job responsibilities, operating under the guidance of black belts. Now you are going to study some case studies. Case study number 1. This is about Samsung. Six Sigma was introduced in Korea in 1997. The first national quality prize of Six Sigma was given to two companies. One is Samsung and the other is LG Electronics. They are virtually the leader of Six Sigma in Korea. Samsung SDI was founded in 1970 as a producer of the black and white Boron tube. It began to produce the color brown tube from 1980, and now it is the number one company for brown tubes in the world. The market share of brown tubes is 32%. The major products are CDT, color display tube; CPT, color picture tube; LCD, liquid crystal display; VFD, vacuum fluorescent display; CF, color filter; Li-ion battery; and PDP, that is plasma display panel. The total sales involved is about $4.4 billion, and the total number of employees is about 18,000, including 8,000 domestic employees. It has 6 overseas subsidiaries in Mexico, China, Germany, Malaysia, and Brazil. The necessity of Six Sigma in Samsung. Here you are seeing some graphs why they need Six Sigma. The direction of problem solving, how they solve the problems which has been created in the manufacture. The vision of Six Sigma, you can see here, well equipped with Six Sigma philosophy, systems and methodologies, project team activities, different color belt systems, Six Sigma Academy for education, and rewarding system. This connects with the product, process, people. This creates a product of world famous number one products, and the process